Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.1.12 Button Cluster Groups. Button clusters are grouped by type or function. Location is selected for convenience and to improve efficiency. Examples of the most used cluster groups are Group 1, Buttons. Select, switch between administrative sheets. At the top of the instruction sheet in column B is a cluster of Select Administrative Sheet buttons. Group 2, Buttons, Elevation. Switch between elevation sheets. At the top of the instruction sheet in column B is a cluster of Select Elevation Sheet buttons. Group 3, Buttons, Select, Switch between Cost Workup sheets. On the project summary sheet, in column AY is a cluster of 174 Select Cost Workup sheet buttons. Group 4, Buttons, Go To cells and range names on the same cell. At the top of the instruction sheet, in column D is a cluster of 11 Go To index buttons. Group 5, Buttons perform a process, mathematical or Excel function. This example 1.1.12 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.1.13.